Number 3. The o-cedar Scrunge Multi-Use Pack of 6. Non-Scratch is a versatile and high-quality product that offers excellent scrubbing capabilities. With its cotton material and non-scratch feature, this scrub sponge is designed to be gentle on surfaces while effectively removing dirt and grime. One of the standout features of this product is its durability. The o-cedar Scrunge Multi-Use Scrub Sponge is built to last, allowing you to tackle tough cleaning tasks without worrying about wear and tear. The pack of 6 ensures that you have an ample supply of these sponges, making it convenient for use in multiple areas of your home or for long-term usage. The compact dimensions of the product, 4.25 L, 2.63 W, 1.18 th, make it easy to handle and maneuver, allowing you to clean even hard-to-reach areas with ease. The blue color adds a touch of style to the sponge, making it visually appealing. The o-cedar Scrunge Multi-Use Scrub Sponge is recommended for scrubbing tasks on glass surface.